Hi, everybody. So I got asked a couple really good questions today, and I thought I would put together a quick video, you know, responding to those questions because I thought they were very good. The first one is, are we open for business? The second is, are we allowing buyers to be present during the inspection? And the third one is, what are we doing if the buyers don't make it? So first and foremost, yes, we are absolutely open for business. Josh and I are out here still inspecting, working hard. Just wanted to clear that up. Number two, we do not have a problem with the buyers making the inspection. We still encourage it. We just ask that they maintain the 6 foot rule. So what Josh and I are doing to ensure or doing our part is we have Tyvek suits that are washable. We have booties and we have gloves. So at the end of the inspection, what we do is we go out to the car, we take off, our protective gear, goes into a trash bag, and we spray everything down with Lysol. We did talk to the Department of Health and Human Services, and they said Lysol will work. It just takes 10 minutes for that to happen. So with travel time to and from inspections, everything is disinfected and sanitized. We're ready to go for the next one. That way we're not, bringing any contaminants or possible contaminants into the next inspection. We're also wiping the surfaces down, with Clorox wipes. And all of our protective gear, gloves and coveralls, they come in at night and everything gets washed. So again, we're starting fresh the next day. We don't want to contaminate my house anymore. I want to contaminate, a seller's property. If the buyers are unable to attend, for any reason, we're going to do the inspection as normal. The only thing I'm doing a little bit differently is that we are doing a video of things they need to know. So where's my main water? How do I change a filter? How often I should do that? The water heater, how to light a pilot if it has a pilot, how to adjust the water temperature. Same thing on electric. Showing them sewer, clean outs, things I would normally show them if they were there. We're doing the video and I'm uploading that to my Dropbox account and sending that to the client. It's working out very well. I've gotten a tremendous response from doing this, and they're able to go ahead and do an inspection and keep the video and always refer back to it. The other thing, if the buyer says or requests that they would like us to come back out and show them those items outside of the video, we can do that. We are not charging for that service. The only thing I'm asking that agents and or the clients do is at least give us a week's notice so that I can work that into the schedule and, get out there and show them those items. The reason, I felt the best thing to do was not charge them was because, this is nobody's fault. And I didn't think it was the right thing to do. Particularly they can't make it. So I think the best thing to do is do the video. If they want us to come back out, we will absolutely do so. Again, we have protective equipment. So, our exposure is very limited in that regard. We're also notifying the agents if there are any major defects or repair requests so that they can prepare, their clients or at least themselves, so when they get the report, how to deal with it. Kind of a little heads up, basically. If most of the agents aren't making the inspections for obvious reasons, so I want to try to inform everybody as much as possible ahead of time, and then we'll get the reports out. That we're just trying to do our part. So. That's where we're at with this whole thing. If there's any questions, there's any concerns, please give me a call. Sellers, we had one seller asked if we had masks. The answer is yes. We do have very good, expensive masks that we use. If the seller requests us to, we normally use them in attics anyway. But we're not just putting them on randomly and running around the house with them on. But if we are requested to do so, we will. I have an elderly client next week where she requested that, and we're gonna honor that request. So again, we're just trying to do our part and keep everybody safe, including ourselves. But if there are questions, concerns, absolutely reach out, give me a call. Even if it's a client, seller, totally fine. So stay safe out there. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And thanks for your time.